falsetto. Now we're going to smile this first note in between your ears. I want you to feel the first note go to the back of your ears here. So hear me. Wee, wee, wee. Okay, we're going to smile it going back. Let's do it all together. Oh, false voice. Let's go. Wee, wee, wee. Sandy, just relax the smile a little bit, Sandy. It's a little bit too much, so watch me. Wee, wee, wee. Fantastic. Yep, everybody, let's go. Okay, so that's falsetto. Everybody knows where falsetto is. A lot of people use falsetto as a deep hole. As soon as we go too high, we go into falsetto. So we clearly heard that in the Adele song where she sung two super high notes, one in chest voice, one in falsetto. It's used as a colour in contemporary singing. Okay, so that's what it's used for. That is the falsetto exercise there, and it uses a different part of your voice. So we've gone over your vowels, we've gone over your true voice going up higher, and your falsetto. Any questions regarding falsetto? Sandy. Hard pellets at the top? Yep. Okay, look, with all techniques, if there's something that's incorrect, I'll fix it. But if your tongue's okay, generally with the wee falsetto exercise, just to answer that question, if this is your lower front teeth, my tongue is like this. Wee! It's sort of coming up a little bit. Wee, wee, wee. But that's where my tongue is on my lower front teeth. Wee, wee, wee. As a general rule. No questions regarding falsetto?
Just one. Is there any way to strengthen your voice to have a stronger falsetto? I find I've got a very deep voice, and when I go up to falsetto, I can get up and it's very thin.
Yep.
Is there any way to help a specific exercise?
Yes. Placement. If you can send me a file, just send me an audio file to email me and I'll critique it for you. But it's placement. You're probably going, wee, wee, wee. We want to hear the Eurythmics, and she puts this sound very high. Ed Sheeran, so you can keep me. It's very light falsetto. So it's to do with placement. And, or air. I don't know, I need to listen to it. Because you could be going, wee, wee, wee. So air's a killer, guys. Like, a lot of people go, oh, geez, we're going to be singing, and we're going to take a big breath. And then they thin out their voice with too much air like this. I'm doing this in my speaking voice. But yeah, try not to push through too much air because it will thin your voice out. But that's what I can say. Think of the sound going in between your ears. Wee, wee, wee. On the E vowel, no H. Wee, wee, wee. Not wee, wee, wee. And watch where it's placed. You can place falsetto. You can place all these sounds in your body somewhere. Like the Bee Gees. You should be dancing. Yeah. It's down. It's not, you should be. It's not angelic. So you can place these sounds in different places. Okay. It's a tricky one. I really have to assess what's going on. If I'm finishing the faster class after it, when I finish the faster class, come in, I'll hear your falsetto and I'll tell you exactly what's going on. Any questions? Yes.
When do you know to switch to falsetto?
Because
if you have a good strong and it goes all the way up, well, you can switch to the falsetto. How do you choose?
Okay, as you guys would have, especially the guys going through the higher range here, you're going to feel that you start to strain and not sound great. So you start to strain and not sound great, flip the falsetto. That's what I'll be saying. Though you can place it again, like when I'm singing, whoop, whoop, I'm putting it right in my, I think I'm putting it right to nearly the crown of my head. So I'm sounding like feminine, even though I've got quite a sort of a thick voice. So If you're not sounding great, you're sounding strained, or it's hurting your voice, flip the falsetto. But as I said, guys, I'm a baritone every day of the week, and I'm singing tenor songs here all the time. These plane trees are freaking killing me, but other than I'm singing tenor all the time. But with proper technique, you can expand and stretch your range out.
It's sort of like moving gears up in a car, isn't it? But to falsetto is sort of like putting it from first to second, so you can get access to the high notes.
It is, again, it's a little bit of a cheat, like I said with Adele, Adele's using the chest voice for strength and power. You listen to Aretha Franklin, and when she sings those high notes, it just, first time I heard it sent shivers down my spine. I go, this girl's feeling good. And she's a power. She's powerful and moving, more so than going up and doing it in a weaker falsetto voice, which wouldn't have that type of effect. That's what it is. So you hear those big, strong singers like Adele doing that type of stuff, and it's moving. It's great. It really is. It can be dangerous though. Adele's developed nodules twice. And it's because she wears a corset, doesn't breathe properly. But next time you see her, tell her to come and see me. But that's, guys. I'm here till 3:30, and there's a lot that I want to get through. Any questions? No, I'm going to give you Sandy. You did fantastic, Sandy. Please practice into the mirror. You've got great potential.